Hey guys! Remember how I told you I was going to try to be back really soon? Well, here I am, 1 day later. I know that's impressive for me right now. Here's the thing. There's a little thing going on right now called 10K Tuesday, as you've seen in the title and the title photo thing. I am participating. Kat over at Catty-tastic talked about it. I happened to watch her video last night just in the nick of time to prepare. I have just gotten home from my history class and I am ready to go. Today was my Friday. I have no more school until next Monday. I am behind on NaNoWriMo. This is my chance to catch up and to break amazing limits. I have written 12K in a day once in my life. And that was my first ever nano, and I have not done it since. The most I've written this year is 6,000 words in a day, and I'm about to nearly double that. But that will have me almost caught up, and I think that pretty much makes it worth it. Okay, so right now I am at 30,059 words, and the goal for today is 43,333. If I can manage to write just 10,000, I will only be 3,000 behind, which will be almost 5,000 behind when tomorrow gets here. But I can worry about that tomorrow because 5,000 words in a day is so much easier sounding than 10,000, right? So even if I could break that in half. Currently, NaNoWriMo website is telling me that at this rate I will finish on December 14th and that I need to write 3,989 words a day to finish. I am fairly certain that writing 10,000 words is going to rapidly reduce that number and throw Nano off a little bit. Also going to make my chart look very interesting for any of you guys that do nano. You know what that looks like. So, I am ready to do this. I am going to make some coffee, and I am going to just write all day. That is it. I have canceled every other thing that's going on or refused to do anything else. I'm going to write. I am going to make this a two-parter video. I'm talking to you guys now before I go in so you know what my starting word count is, and then I will come back to you guys when I have finally laid the writing to rest for the day, and I will let you know what my ending word count is. Let's hope that it is at least 40,059 words. Maybe more. Maybe I'll even get caught up. Who knows? It depends on where I get in my story, because some of those intense scenes sometimes really fuel you to write way more than you expected to. So I'm going to go do that, and then I am going to come back to you guys later and let you know how things are going. I will talk to you guys really soon. Wish me luck, and hopefully I don't go crazy.
Hey guys, Katie here. I am coming at you with the second half of my 10K Tuesday video. So it is actually Wednesday now, Wednesday evening, a little bit after 8 p.m. What happens when you decide to do a 10K day is you reach the end of the day and find yourself exhausted, and therefore you allow yourself to just pass out. So yesterday I started writing at approximately 3 p.m. because I wanted to kind of coincide with Kat over at Catty-tastic because it was her 10K Tuesday idea. And so I wrote from 3 to 8 basically without stopping. I then gave myself an hour-long break because Rudolph was on TV and there was no way I was going to miss that. Then at 9, I wrote about another 1,000 words or so because I was watching Supernatural, which slowed me down a little bit. And then I wrote for one more hour after that and stopped around 11 o'clock because I was absolutely exhausted. I made it a lot further than I thought. I had told myself that if I made it to 6,000, I was going to be happy. And then I ended up making it to 8,135 words before I went to bed, which obviously isn't quite 10,000. But it's quite an impressive amount to write in a day, and while it is not my highest daily written amount of words ever, it is my highest amount this NaNoWriMo. So I am pretty proud of myself. It put me up to where I was only 7,000 behind when I started the day today, and so I decided that today was going to be Wordy Wednesday. What is Wordy Wednesday, you ask? Well, it's something I made up. Apparently, it's actually a thing on Twitter, so my hashtag for it kind of looked out of place compared to what it really is over there, which is like definitions and stuff of weird words. But for me, Wordy Wednesday was basically how many words are you behind? Write those words, because tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and after Thanksgiving, it all kind of goes downhill. So I decided today I was going to try to write 7,000, and I am currently at approximately 3,500, putting me halfway there. My word count right now is 41,419 words, which is just over 3,500 away from being the daily goal. So if I can make it to 7,000 today, I will be officially caught up until tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow, my idea, which if I do catch up today will actually put me ahead tomorrow, which will be awesome, is 3K Thursday, because alliteration, guys, I kind of have become obsessed with it. So 3K Thursday, self-explanatory, 3K, double the word count, double the daily word count, but it's Thanksgiving, which is a day that a lot of people don't write at all. So it'll put me ahead of the game and leave me with only 2,000 words left to split between Friday and Saturday, which my family is having a Thanksgiving dinner on Saturday out of town, so it would really be nice to finish on Friday, which I think will be doable if I can complete my Wordy Wednesday and my 3K Thursday. So I will try to check in with you guys tomorrow and let you know how 3K Thursday went, but because it is Thanksgiving, I know you guys will totally understand if I don't make it around YouTube to let you guys know, but I will get back at you and let you know how I am doing, and I'm like on a roll with these update things now, so forgive me for making this a two-parter into a two-dayer. And I will see you guys really soon. I hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving if you celebrate it, and if not, just have an amazing Thursday. I will see you guys so soon. Bye!